Hi friends, welcome to one more video from T4 Top Notch. I am your friend Sheryl signing in. Today in this video I'm not going to show anything new, but I'm just showing you how to change your puncture tire. Actually today morning when I came to check on my car, I came to know that the car's tire was punctured. So I shall just show you how we can change the car's tire and get the puncture tire replaced. We'll have to take the jacky and tools from the dicky for lifting the vehicle and then removing the tire. Since this happened in my parking lot, we don't have to take the signboard, like there is a sign. If this had happened in a highway, we have to take this and keep it at least 50 to 100 meters away from our car in the backside. But since this is in my parking lot, we don't have to check all those things. Then and since if it was on a highway, we will have to we could have taken the Stepney wheel and we would have replaced it. But since this was in my home itself, we'll be taking the tire to the shop and getting it replaced. So if it is on a highway, it's always better to put the Stepney and move the vehicle to the nearby puncture shop and then get the tire fixed. So now let's take the jacky and we'll start the work. Jacky is this is the jacky. We'll have to lower the jacky and then take it out. Most of the car, I mean all the car will be having a few tools, like this is the jacky and this is the spanner to remove the nut. So in this jacky we can see there is a marking, like there will be a groove over here below. So we need to keep the jacky, we need to keep in such a way that this groove sits in this clamp over here, so that the car will not slip from the jacket. And this is the spanner, as well as this can be used for screwing up so that the car can be lifted up. East side. First, before placing the jacky, we shall just loosen the nut so that it will be easy for us to remove the nuts easily when the car is on jacky. So we need to turn the nuts in anti-clockwise. Clockwise is for tightening and anti-clockwise is for loosening. We were able to easily loosen the nut. Now it is easy to do it more easily. Whereas if you had placed it on jacky, then it would have been a little more tough for us to remove the nut. Today Pintu Anna has come to help me for getting the tire replaced, puncture tire replaced. This jacky has helped us to lift this car without much difficulty. See, now the car's tire is above the surface. With the help of jacky, we have lifted the car from the surface, the car's side, so that we can easily remove the nut and then we can take off the puncture tire. Since we had removed the nut when it was on the ground level, it is easy to remove the nuts when the car is on jacky, because once if the car is on jacky, it will be difficult to apply more effort and remove the nuts. Now the tire is removed. We found out there is a small screw which has entered the tire and made the tire lose the air. Now we'll have to take it to a puncture shop and remove the screw and do a tubeless tire puncture repairing. So we'll take this tire to the shop. puncture fixing is already done. It is done very easily, very fast. This was the screw that was found inside my car's tire. They have removed it and now they are checking for any other further puncture. I came to LC Tires in Kottanur for since I'm staying in Kottanur, I came over here for getting my tire fixed. Everything is done now. They are just checking for any other further puncture. Since it was tubeless tire, the puncture was fixed very easily, very soon. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜಾಕಿಂದ ಇಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ. Now we have tightened the nuts. Next we have to lower the vehicle from jackie and then we have to do the final tightening. Because on jackie we cannot put maximum effort to tight the nuts. This is our apartment caretaker, Pintu, and he helped me in replacing the tire. Hope this video was interesting. Do share, like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Sorry. Thank you.